Here's a photo of crocuses from my yard a few weeks ago. So go to the next page of my nature journal. You usually start by using this grip, and I'm going to start by using the side of the lead, not the tip. And I want to just go in and see what are the big shapes. There's a lot of them here. I'm spending most of my time looking at the photograph, not at my paper. Found out crocuses are not actually native to Massachusetts. Wait, is that true? I think I found that out. So I already have the general contour of the flowers. I want to add some of these long spiky leaves. So I'm drawing, see how quickly I'm drawing? Sometimes you get this energy to drawings when you draw quickly. I'm not laboring over stuff. Then I'm going to go in and add some of the details that are inside the flowers. You've got these structures. And I was pressing pretty lightly, so I have a lot of room to darken things up, make them more intense. So I'm just getting a general idea, a sketchy idea of what these flowers look like. I got these pretty stripes inside. I'm noticing there's a lot of shadows going on inside the flower petals, so I'm going to take a little time and do those. Now I've switched to the grip you're probably used to get these to make thin lines. Now that I got my general shapes and proportions, I'm slowing down a bit. I could put some dark lines in the background to make the flower petals pop out. I could do it like this. Could define these lines better. See, I've got this forehand grip now, so I did my more sketchy lines, my quick lines like this, and I can switch my grip and make more detailed lines. And if you have a variety of line types, it just makes your drawing, usually it makes your drawing more interesting to look at. Some more of these lines. So I'm just going to use some hatch marks, some diagonal hatch marks to make a dark background. So I'm thinking I should add some shadows. So I do not have to make a finished looking picture though, it's just a sketch. I can really make it as finished looking as I want. I can decide what structures I want to render more than others. I don't know, I'm thinking the shadows will help in terms of making this readable as a crocus. I really like this combination of the thick and the thin lines, the lines made when I'm going this way, combined with the lines where I have this grip. Just makes for an interesting picture. So I think for the shading, to start off with, I'm going to use my loose grip again. I'm actually looking at the direction of the grass and having that inspire my pencil strokes. Alright, so okay, I'm gonna do some shading now inside, using the side of my pencil. I'm already at the point where I almost need to sharpen my pencil. Lots of shadows inside these petals. I could spend a lot of time on this, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna pick the ones I want to do. So I picked, this is another very complicated bunch of shapes. So instead of feeling overwhelmed by it, I just decided to pick up, go kind of piece by piece. So there's a lot of shadow in here. I want to get some of that. Maybe in the video I'll put the photo right next to my sketch so you can compare them. I could definitely spend a long time drawing this, but just making a sketch. Just a quick loose drawing. I'm trying to not use an eraser, which would just slow me down. That's pretty good. This right here, this is gonna, if I darken this up, it's actually in shadow. It's gonna sit behind and it's gonna bring these shapes to the foreground. So I think I'll do that. I'm gonna go in and darken up this back here. Yeah, see how much that adds to the picture? All of a sudden I see these shapes in front. So I think I'm done. Just a quick sketch of crocuses for my nature journal. There's that.